matter, Bubba? You getting a bath? And it's awful. It's nothing at all like a nice massage. Nothing like that. It's just terrible. I know. I know. Bubba, honey. I know, it's awful. It's awful. Oh, poor baby. You'll feel better. You was all sandy.
Itchy.
You will feel better. You ready for a towel?
No, go rinse it.
Oh.
It's getting dirty. It's getting dirty again.
Oh no. Oh no.
I know he's cold. He's miserable. We gotta get him in the sun. Don't just wrap him up. Let him get in the sun for a minute, because it'll warm him up.
See, I'm in the sun right now, but I'm freezing.
Birds have it, that's right.
Hey, I'm freezing. I get you. Here's your towel. The drying's worse than the washing. I know, it's awful. I know. I know, being beautiful. Being beautiful is hard work for babies. It is. Don't you fall out of the chair? It is awful. You gotta get dry. You gotta get dry. There you go. You dry. Baby clean. He's clean. He's gonna go to the show in the morning all clean. Cause he's the eye candy at our booth. This baby is. Him is the eye candy. Mm-hmm. Hey, Bubba, tell me how mad you are. Tell Mama how mad him is. He's mad. You're a very good dryer. Yes, you are. Uh-huh. Big boys just dry themselves. Uh-huh. That's a sweet baby. That's a sweet baby. He was so frizzy. He's so frizzy. He's so frizzy. You worked yourself up in a tizzy. Yes, you have. You just a snorting. You just a snorting. Come on, let's go. Tell everybody bye. Say I'm beautiful and goodbye. Bubba, look. Sweet darling. Here. Look at me, doodle bug. Look here. What's the baby doing? What's the baby doing? You're freezing. Okay, I'll wrap you up. Bubby, you want a cookie? Huh? You want a cookie? Now, was it worth it? Huh? Was it worth it getting a bath? Getting a treat? That's pretty good. Pretty good stuff. That pretty good? You like them? Are your favorite? Huh? Bath time's great? No, it's not? That's a good baby. I love you. I love you. And you just rest and you dry. You dry out. Your front half's dry. Your back half's frizzy. Yeah, you're frizzy. You're so frizzy. You're a good baby. You ready to go to Denver? You want to go to Denver? You do? I love you. I love you. See, we're still drying. See, we're still drying. Hey, sweetness. You drying and sunning. You drying and sunning? You're so frizzy. How baby get so frizzy? You're so frizzy. Now you're so itchy. So we moved all your dirt and now you're itchy? That was your best dirt? Huh? You shivering? You're sitting in the sun. You're gonna be okay. You're gonna be alright. Get tucked up. Sweet darling. You go bed. You'll get warm in a minute. You're in the sun. It's warm today. You gonna take a nap? You gonna rest? Look at Daddy drew the baby. Oh, he's just a shivering. He's just a shivering. You wanna cover up? Hey, you wanna cover up a little? No? You're too mad? You're too mad? It's really hot right here. You're silly. You silly shiver monster.